The air-cooled chiller is a refrigeration equipment that relies on air for heat dissipation and completely does not consume any water resources, making it inherently designed for water-scarce regions. Its working principle is straightforward. The compressor compresses the refrigerant into a high-temperature, high-pressure gas, which is then directed into the condenser. Here, without requiring a water pump or cooling tower, the heat is naturally carried away by ambient airflow. After cooling, the refrigerant circulates back to repeat the refrigeration cycle. This entire process eliminates the water circulation requirements of traditional water-cooled systems, enabling it to operate effortlessly not only in arid areas but even in desert environments, permanently resolving the challenge of water scarcity for cooling needs.